it's Liliana Rowena, and today I'm going to show you a very basic Gothic Lolita makeup tutorial. This is just one of the ways I like to wear my makeup when I am wearing goth. So I like to use a full coverage foundation and a concealer brush for my concealer because I think it just looks better when it all matches on me personally. You just kind of blend it out. Make sure you get it on your eyelid too though, because you kind of use that as a primer. Use whatever you have. I have a mix of, right now I have just some products from when I worked at Sephora. There we go. Since I do have a little bit of a breakout, I am going to do my face. You don't worry about my forehead as much since I've got bangs. And I just kind of blend that out. Kind of get a good base on to start with. And this is just a super simple way that I like to do this. So I take kind of a fluffy, but like straight brush to get into the crease. I'm gonna use just straight out black. I put black in the crease. I'm gonna use a fluffy kind of blending brush to kind of blend it out into a shape that I like. In this case, I need more black. And I kind of go around the eye because I find that that's makes a cute shape. And if you mess up, just blend with your finger. And since it's goth, it's okay if it's a little messy, but you want to try to kind of make it look intentionally messy. And with this black, I can kind of build up a little bit. And I kind of just keep blending it until I get it kind of to a shape I like, which I think I'm there. I take this brush, like a packing brush, and then like the accent color of this cord is red, so I'm going to put red eyeshadow on. But if I had blue, then I'd do blue, or purple, I'd do purple. And I really pack that on there. Well, sometimes though it will fall out if you kind of dig in a little too much, which I did. That's okay. There we go. Now I take kind of this smudge brush and like a highlighter color, and then I will highlight this area on my eye, like kind of like the eye bag, I guess. It has an official name. I can't remember it. You might need to blend it if you accidentally put too much on, like I did. Now I do some eyeliner. And with Lolita makeup, I like it with the eyeliner with just like a very small flick or pointed down. In this case, I think I'm going to point it down and do like a little tiny wing. but the wing kind of goes in that direction. I don't want the eyeliner to be too thick. Point it down and then wing it out. And kind of try to blend the eyeliner a bit better there. Sometimes I go back in with the eyeliner, sometimes I don't. I might just ever so slightly add a bit of liner right there. And then kind of connect it in the corner. Ever so slight bit of eyeliner and then fill it in the corner. There we go. Now we will curl our eyelashes to get them nice and pretty. And I put mascara on. I like to very much put mascara on like that. And I like to kind of finish out the eyes. Since this is a Lolita look, I am going to put some blush on. But I don't contour or anything because I don't really think that that goes with Lolita for my Lolita aesthetic. Although I have seen it done. And then finally I will do my lips. The lips, you could either do like black or red. I'm doing red because I just feel like it's a red day today. Oh, I went a little too far with that one. That's where lip liner is helpful. If you're me, you just live with your mistake. Or you might be able to clean it up a little bit with the concealer. Good enough. I'm not a professional. So as you can see, I kind of have a very formulaic way. I like to do Gothic Lolita makeup, which is just black in the crease, whatever main color here, and then a dark color that's